So hello students. So today we are discussing first topic of pointers. Pointer to pointers or double pointer. So what is a pointer variable? When we can say variable is a pointer, then I'm declaring int star p. So because of indirection operator star, I can say p is a pointer variable. Now what is our concept? Pointers to pointers. Okay. So pointers to pointers are double pointer. Okay. In the previous example, int star p means there is a single pointer. Now we can place one more indirection operator, int star star q, int star star r. Then we can say that is a double pointer. Okay. Here, what is the definition for a pointer to pointer? A pointer to pointer is a form of multiple indirection or chain of pointers. Okay, multiple indirection. So for a double pointer, we are using two, triple pointer, three, like this. Okay. At most, we are using only double pointer. Okay. So multiple indirection means we can place any number of indirection symbols, star stars. Okay. In our concept, we are using only two, star star p or star star q star star r. Okay. How to define pointer to pointer? So when we define a pointer to pointer, the first pointer means the single pointer. First pointer is here the single pointer in star p. The first pointer is used to store the address of the variable. So we are defining a variable a equal to 10, some b equal to 20, like this. Here we are defining a variable a equal to 10. That variable address is stored by first pointer. That first pointer is nothing but single pointer. Okay. Next. And the second pointer is used to store the address of the first pointer. So what is second pointer here? Double pointer or pointer to pointer that stores address of the single pointer. Okay, what is the concept of pointer to pointer or double pointer? So pointer to pointer or double pointer stores the address of the single pointer. Here single pointer is first pointer, double pointer is second pointer. Okay. Now how to declare the pointer to pointer? Declaring pointer to pointer is similar to declaring pointer in C. Okay. What there is so what we have to replace? We have to replace an additional star before the name of point. We have to place additional means two star symbols, two indirection operators we have to place in front of a variable. Okay. See the syntax here. Data type star ptr. Data type star star ptr underscore. This is pointer name. This is syntax or general format. For the example, int star star q. Now q is called double pointer. Why it is called double pointer? Because of two indirection symbols. Suppose I have three means triple pointer. Four means like this. Okay, multiple pointers. Okay, here star star q. So q is called double pointer. What is the concept of pointer to pointer? Int a equal to 10. Okay, int star p. So p is first pointer or single pointer. Int star star q. Q is pointer to pointer or double pointer. Okay, let's see. A has value 10, that is stored at address 2000. The address of A is stored by P as a value. In the similar way, the address of P is stored by Q as a value. So that is double pointer. So finally, what is the conclusion here? The address of first pointer, the address of first pointer is stored as a value by the double pointer. That is the concept here. Okay. Now we can see the program here. Main int a equal to 10 int star p int star star q int star star q. Okay. Now I can write p equal to ampersand a. So p stores, that is first pointer or single pointer, stores address of the variable a. So Q. So Q equal to ampersand P. So Q stores address of the first pointer. So now what is Q here? Double pointer or pointer to pointer. Okay. Now printf. The address of pointer P is percentage U comma Q. So what is Q is contain the value 3000. Suppose I want to access the value of A is double pointer means I can give the instruction the value of A is percentage D comma star star. The star star Q gives the value 10. Okay. This is double pointer or pointer to pointer. Next concept is compatibility. Compatibility here. First one, pointer size compatibility. Second concept is here dereference type compatibility. Third one, pointer to void. Fourth one, casting pointers. These four concepts we are learning in this type compatibility. Okay. First one, pointer size compatibility. So what this topic says? The size of all pointers is the same. This is the main point. The size of all pointers is the same. This size is depending on the compiler capacity, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64 bits. Based on that one, the size of all pointers is the same. The size of pointers is different. Okay, that is another point. So remember this point. The size of all pointers is the same. Okay. Every pointer variable holds the address of one memory location to in the computer. Every pointer variable holds what is holding one address of the address of one memory location in the computer. Every pointer variable holds address of one memory location in the computer. Okay. The size of the variable that the pointer references can be different. It takes the attributes of type being reference. Okay. You see that concept here. See here. So I am taking here in the program char C, char star PC, where C is a character variable. What is PC here? Character pointer variable. Okay. So now see here. Int size of PC, size of PC. What is the size of PC here? So character pointer variable 4. In the similar way, I'm declaring in the below int p int star pa. What is star pa? What is star pa? Star pa is integer pointer variable. What is the size of pa? Size of pa equal 4. See here. These two are same in size. You can put double or long int, what it may be. So the memory of all pointer variables are same value, same size. Int size of PC. Size of PC is the variable name. Size of is the keyword. So that can be used to retrieve the size of character pointer variable PC. What is the size of PC here? Character pointer variable PC 4. Here also PA. What is PA? Integer pointer variable. Okay. What is the size of integer pointer variable again? 4. So these two are same. You can use double also. So the size of double pointer variable also same. Okay. That is the concept here. That is the concept here. So the size of all pointers is the same. The size of all the pointers is the same. Okay. So that is pointer size compatibility. If you can take any pointer variable, that is character pointer variable, integer pointer variable, floating pointer variable, double pointer variable, all pointer variables having same memory, occupy same memory. The memory should be depending on the compiler capacity, 16-bit, so 32-bit, 64-bit. Okay. So based on 16-bit, what is the capacity here? The capacity is 4 bytes. 4 bytes capacity. Okay. Remaining as usual. That is the remaining. Here, see here. Size of star PC. Size of star PC. Okay. Size of C equal to size of C. Size of star size. These two, first one and third one are same. So that is not important for us. Only second one is important for us. These two are highlighted here. Control we have, can make here bold here. Those two steps are important. Okay. All pointers have same size. Okay. Next. We can go for dereference compatibility. What is dereference compatibility? Very important point in pointers. Suppose I am declaring a integer pointer variable. I can store only integer variable address only. I can't store character variable address. I can't store double variable address. Not like that. Okay. Integer pointer stores only integer variable address. Suppose I can declare character pointer. I can store character variable address. Okay. That is the uh, technique in pointers to store the address of the different variables. Okay, that is the concept is called a reference. Okay, the second issue in compatibility is dereference type. What is dereference type here? The dereference type is the type of the variable that is the pointer is referencing. Okay, so the type of the variable that the pointer is referencing. Suppose integer pointer I'm taking, it stores one integer variable address. I'm taking character pointer variable, it stores character variable address like this. Okay. We can't use the assignment operator with pointers, two different types. What is different types? So by using integer pointer variable, I can't store character variable address. By using integer pointer variable, I can't store double pointer, double variable address. Okay, like this. So example, a pointer to char is only compatible with pointer to char. A pointer to char is only compatible with pointer to char. So we can't assign a pointer to char to a pointer to an int. So we can't assign a pointer to char to an pointer to an int. That is here type compatible. Okay, dear friends, type compatible. Okay. If you see here, I am giving an example here, small example here. Char C int a char star PC equal to ampersand C. Okay, no problem. Okay, so char C. So C is a character variable. Char star PC. What is PC here? PC is also character pointer variable. So I can store PC equal to ampersand C. No problem. But here I am going to store PC equal to ampersand D. What is A here? Integer variable. What is PC here? Character pointer. So character pointer cannot hold integer variable address. That is error. Okay, that is error. So what I can give here? I can give here some integer pointer, int star, some p like this. Okay, so this is error. So what is error here? The character pointer variable is storing integer variable address. Then we are getting error. Okay, that is a dereference type compatibility. What is the final conclusion here? What is the final conclusion here? So when I'm using pointers, I want to store integer variable address, means I can take integer pointer. I want to store character variable address. I can use character pointer. If I want to store floating point variable address, I can use floating point pointer variable. Okay, like this. That is a type compatible. Dereference to type compatible. Okay. Next one. Next third concept is very small concept is pointer to void. Just a small concept. A pointer to void is a generic type that is not associated with any reference type. It is not associated with any reference type. It is compatible for assignment purpose. Just assignment purposes only it is we are using. Only with other pointer types. So I can assign value to character pointer value to void pointer. So void pointer value to character pointer like this. I can assign different pointer variables to void point. I can assign just assignment. Okay. What is syntax of pointer to void? So I can write void star ptr underscore name, void space star p void. I can write here p1 star p1 star p like this. No problem. Okay. That is our pointer to void. Okay. Next I can go for casting pointers. So already we know about type casting, type conversion, type casting. Okay. Already casting already covered in first. What is in the casting? I want to change one data type with another data. That is called casting. Okay. So in casting, two types are available. Conversion is available. Casting is available. Okay. So what is casting? When I am assigning one data type value to another data type, that is called casting. Here also, I am assigning one one data type variable to other pointer variable. One data type variable to other pointer variable. I'm using. Okay. Then we are getting casting. The problem type incompatibility can be solved by using casting. Okay. Example, I'm taking just by using example, I'm solving this problem. Void star p1. Okay. Char star p2 int star p3. Here void star p1. So what is p1? P1 is your void pointer. Okay. P2 is character pointer. P3 is integer pointer. Okay. So third one is very important. P3 equal to what is P3 here? P3 is integer pointer. So I am assigning what is P2 is here? P2 is character pointer. So now by using typecasting, I am writing here int star P2. Int star P2. What is meant to int star P2? Now P2 is becoming integer. Sorry, P2. P2. What is P2 here? P2 is character. Now character is becoming integer. Okay, by using int star P2. So I am making a character pointer variable to integer pointer variable by using casting operation int star P2. Okay, converting reference of char P into a reference of int. That is P3 equal int star. This is called casting. So very small concept. Just like we are converting int a. So where a is a double value, int a means a becomes integer value. So float b, where b is some character value, so it is automatically converted into floating pointer. In the similar way here also int star p2. So where p2 is a character pointer that is converted to integer pointer. So that is assigning to one more integer pointer p3. p3 equal to here also what is the result here right hand side, there is also integer value, integer reference. Okay, that is about so casting pointers. Okay, next we can go for two important values here, L value and R value. Okay, so this L value and R value is depending on the concept of expression. Is depending on the concept of expression. So what is an expression in C language? Everything is an expression. So suppose I given 5 is an expression, small a is an expression. Okay, those are simple expressions. Suppose I want to elaborate expression means it's a combination of letters, digits, some symbols, a plus b into c by d, like this. A plus b, a plus 5, a plus 9 minus e by d, like this. Any combination of letters, digits, symbols is a expression. Okay, so based on expression, we have two values are we are deriving two values. What are the two values here? L value and R value. Okay. Next, to solve this expression, in first unit we are going for precedence rules. Okay, we're using left to right. Okay, we are using precedence rules and one more rule is associativity. Precedence rules and associativity we are using. Okay, we are drawing one table also. Okay, top to bottom. So here we are not going for in depth. So we are just discussing about L value and R value. What is L value? So L value expression must be used whenever the object is receiving a value that is being modified. So L value expression must be used whenever the object is receiving a value. When anyone is receiving a value, that is called L value. Okay. In general, always left hand side operand is always receiving a value. A equal to 9. Suppose for example, I'm taking A equal to 9. What is A here? A is called L value. What is A is taking? A is taking the value of 9. So A is called L value. Okay. So here I'm giving one table is here, expression comments. What are the different L value expressions? Identifier, just A, B, identify we have 5 rules are available. What are identifier rules? An identifier must begin with letter, okay, or underscore. An identifier can contain letters, digits, or underscore. An identifier cannot, a keyword cannot act as an identifier. An identifier doesn't allow space. So the length of the identifier, in turbos, it should be 8 letters, okay, 8 characters. Okay, based on the rules, here identifier is also L value expression. Okay, variable identifier. You can give any variable A, B like this. Okay, that is identifier is L value. Next, expression followed by brackets. That is to represent arrays in brackets. Array index. That is also L value expression. Expression brackets. Next, expression followed by that is enclosed in parenthesis. Parenthesis, left parenthesis, right parenthesis. We are placing expression that is also L value. Expression must already L value. So this expression always be L value. Again, the enclosed in parenthesis. Next, star expression. What is star expression? Dereference expression. Star is indirection operator. So star expression dereference expression. Expression dot name, that is structure selection. We are going for structure variables. S1 dot name, S1 dot ID, S1 dot marks like this, S1 dot grade name. This expression dot name. Expression arrow name. This is indirect selection. So to access pointers by use structure, we use arrow operator. Okay, that is not covered in third unit. This topic. What is how we are writing arrow operator? Minus greater than symbol. There is no arrow operator in keyboard. Then we can write expression. So minus greater than symbol. Name. So structure indirect selection. Function call. If function is written by address, there is a function call. So we are using return by address function call. These are the all L value expressions. Okay. They are all L value. This table contains L value expressions. Now we can see what are the examples of L values. See here, the following are L value expressions. A equal to, what is A here? L value. So A equals the first one, first expression example. Actually, A of 5 equal to second expression type. So A equal to third one, star B equal to. These are all L value expressions. Okay. In some textbooks, they are given A equal to 9. Okay. Again, I can write B equal to A. Right hand also the value A is available. Sometimes they are given, but even in textbook they are giving Only left-hand side operands are treated as L values. Only left-hand side operands are treated as L values. Okay. Next, we can go for R value. What is R value? All expressions that are not L value expressions, all expressions that are not L value expressions are R values. A simple sentence. The expressions that are not L value, those are called as R value expressions. So one more definition is available here. The R value expression can be used to copy a value for further use, that is examiner, or copy its value. For future purpose, we are storing a value. Then nothing but R value expression. Example 5. There's not a L value expression. A plus 2, A star 6, A of 2 plus 3, A plus plus. So the expressions, those are not L values, L value expressions, those are called as R value expressions. So these are the three topics under pointers. Okay. Again, I can review everything. So first topic, what is the first topic we discussed here? Pointer to pointer or double pointer. First one is pointer to pointer, double pointer. What is pointer to pointer or double pointer? So by using double pointer, we are storing address of the single pointer. Note down this point in the notebook. So what is it? The pointer to pointer, double pointer. By using pointer to pointer or double pointer, we are storing the address of the single pointer. That is the concept of pointer to pointer, double pointer. Okay, we are storing address of the single pointer variable. That is the concept of pointer to pointer, double pointer. And note down also this example. Int a equal to 10, int star p, okay, int star q. So here p is first pointer or single pointer, q is pointer to pointer or double pointer. Okay. So and so draw this example also. A value 10 that is stored in the address 2000. So p, so that p, what is p stores address of variable here, single pointer. So I am writing here the example p equal to ampersand. P equal to ampersand. So address of a is stored by p. Next in similar way, q equal to ampersand, q equal to ampersand p. So address of p is stored by q. So write this example also. Okay. The notebook, write this example. Okay. So these are the important points regarding pointer to pointer or double pointer. Only one point. Eight pointer to pointer or double pointer stores the address of the single pointer. Where single pointer holds the address of the variable a. So if variable a is not available, what is the use of p? So that is the concept here. Okay, a double pointer stores address of the single pointer or second pointer will store the address of the first point. Okay, that is pointer point. Second one, compatibility. So what is compatibility here? So all pointer variables have the same memory. Suppose I'm taking integer pointer variable, so character pointer variable, so double pointer variable, floating pointer variable. Every pointer variables having same memory. That is another one more important point. Okay. Next, the similar way, one more topic is available here. First one that is type compatibility. First one is type compatibility. First one is size compatibility. Sir. First one is pointer size compatibility. What is pointer size compatibility? The size of all pointers is the same. The size of all pointers. What are the all pointers here? Character pointer, so integer pointer, double pointer, floating pointer. Every pointer having same memory. The size of same memory. In the program, here I am giving here. So star PC, int size of PC equals size of PC, int size of P equals size of P. These two lines have the same memory, 4 bytes. You can put double also. So all pointer values share the same memory. DRFS type compatibility. What is DRFS type compatibility? If I want to store character variable address, I can use character pointer variable. So what is the type of variable? That type pointer will I have to take to store the address. That is the DRFS type compatibility. Next pointer to void, just as for assignment purpose, it is generic type. So void type can be assigned to any type of pointer variable, character, integer, floating. You can use pointer to void. Next, casting pointer, just like type casting here also. I can reference one type of pointer variable. I can assign to another type of pointer variable by using casting. So here in this example here where we discussed about integer pointer and character pointer. So what I'm doing here, we are converting character pointer into integer by writing int star. By writing int star, I am converting a character pointer into integer. Integer pointer. That is about casting pointers. Next, L value or value. L value means right hand side identifiers. Sorry, L value means L value means always left hand side operands. Left hand side identifiers are called as L value expressions. What are different L value expressions? Identifier, expression, array indexing. So expression is enclosed in parentheses, star expression, expression dot name, expression implies name, function. These are all L value expressions. These are all expressions are available at the left hand side of the expression. Okay. What are the examples here? A equal to A is L value expression. A of 5 equal to A of 5 is L value expression. So A enclosed in parentheses, that is L value expression. Star P, L value expression. Okay. Next, R value. The expressions which are not L value, simply the expressions which are not L value, those are called as R value expressions. Okay. R value expressions can be used to copy a value for purposes that is B, exam or copy its value. Examples 5, A plus 2, A star 6. So A of 2 plus 3, A plus plus. Okay. So thank you. So tomorrow we'll discuss more concepts in pointers. ఇది క్లోజ్ చేయడం సార్ ఎలా సార్ ఇది స్టాప్ రికార్డింగ్